Best Plants for Staircases, a guide to choosing the perfect greenery. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that's perfect for those looking to bring a touch of nature into their homes. We'll be exploring the best plants for staircases. If you have a staircase that could use a bit of greenery, stick around to find out which plants thrive in this unique space and how to enhance your staircase with the perfect plant choices. Why choose plants for your staircase? Staircases are often overlooked in home decor, but they offer a fantastic opportunity to introduce some greenery. Adding plants can enhance aesthetics. Plants bring life and color to otherwise unused spaces, improve air quality. Many houseplants help purify the air. Create a welcoming atmosphere. Greenery adds a fresh, inviting feel to your home. Key considerations for staircase plants. Before we dive into our plant recommendations, here are a few factors to consider. Light levels. Assess the amount of natural light your staircase receives. Temperature and humidity. Ensure the plants can tolerate the conditions on your staircase. Space. Choose plants that fit the dimensions of your staircase and don't obstruct movement. Top plants for staircases. Pothos. Light tolerates low light but thrives in bright, indirect light. Care. Low maintenance and adaptable to various conditions. Why it's great. Its trailing vines can create a lush, cascading effect on shelves or railings. Snake plant. Light prefers indirect light but can survive in low light. Care. Very low maintenance and drought tolerant. Why it's great. Its upright leaves add a modern touch, and it's excellent for air purification. ZZ plant. Light thrives in low to bright, indirect light. Care. Extremely low maintenance and drought tolerant. Why it's great. It's glossy, dark green leaves add elegance, and it thrives in less than ideal conditions. Spider plant. Light prefers bright, indirect light. Care. Easy to grow and very forgiving. Why it's great. Its arching leaves and baby plantlets create a dynamic, cascading look. English ivy. Light prefers bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Care. Needs regular watering but is generally easy to care for. Why it's great. Its trailing vines are perfect for adding greenery to railings or hanging baskets. Tips for arranging plants on your staircase. Height variation. Use plants of different heights to create visual interest. Shelving. Install plant shelves or use hanging planters to maximize space. Safety. Ensure plants don't obstruct the stairs or create tripping hazards. Adding plants to your staircase is a fantastic way to elevate your home decor. By choosing the right plants and arranging them thoughtfully, you can turn a simple stairway into a lush, green feature. We hope this guide helps you select the perfect plants for your staircase. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home decor and gardening tips. Share your staircase plant ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.